Hi, this is Randy with GoneCamper. I'm going to show you the latest version of the folding bed for minivans. We've been making beds for minivans for a couple of years now, and it's pretty evenly split between a full width 48-inch wide bed and a single bed that's 30 inches wide or 28 inches wide. And but recently we've had a number of requests for a split bed that can be either a single width or converted to a full width. So that's what this is. The back of the bed is still fixed like it always is. The front legs detach for folding, and when the second row of seats are folded up, everything stores behind the second row of seats. To make the bed, the first step is to add the legs. So the legs are the same as before. They just slip in place, and then they store underneath the back portion of the bed when you're storing the bed. But the biggest difference is that the center leg is now wider, and you'll see why in just a minute. So for a single bed, the front section that makes up the platform is only the width of the single mattress, and that slips in place just like this. So now you have the full width rear section, but then you have just the single width front section, giving you about 20 inches of open space on this side for other storage when you're camping. And because this single width doesn't interfere with the driver's seat, you can leave the single bed in place all the time. You don't have to fold it. You can leave the bed extended and the mattress in place when you're driving down the highway. You can pull into a campsite and your bed's already made. Now, for the times when you want to take a passenger or a second person along, then all you have to do is add the outside leg. So basically this is the same front section that we would add to our regular full-size bed, except that it's cut in half. And that slips in place. So now you have the full width bed from front to back. And now it's 48 inches wide. This one is 6'3" long, which would be the maximum for the mattress that we have. The mattresses that we use on the split bed are two 25-inch mattresses. Now the bed is only 48 inches wide, so that gives you a 50-inch mattress, and then the foam has to compress a little bit. And the mattress is just a little bit narrower than the center legs, so your single bed is roughly 28 inches wide. So that gives you the option of having a full bed when you need it for two people, or just a single bed for the solo traveler. So either way, single bed, full-size bed, or a split, I call this a 60-40 bed. You can get it any way that matches your camping style. So check us out at GoneCamper.com.